Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unbagging our IPSY Glam Bag for the month of January. This is the first one for the new year, okay? Now for those of you who are not familiar with IPSY Glam Bag, I will leave all the information down below. So if you would like to check it out for yourself, all the information that you need will be there, okay? Now, we're just going to jump right in. This is the one IPSY product that has a description card, okay? And our theme for the month is Glow Your Soul. All right, and it says soft launch the new year by getting relaxed, recharged, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Nourish your skin, play with color, practice kindness to yourself and others, and make sure you feel pampered every day. Because the path to getting that glow, both inside and out, starts now. Does it sound familiar? Because it's the same as our BOXYCHARM by IPSY for this month. Okay, so inside of the description card, of course, is all of the information about what's inside this bag right here, okay? And this is our glam bag for the month. All right, so let's just open it up and see what is inside. Well, this is actually a very interesting bag with the sequins on it, you know. All right, so the first item that we have is, you know what? Let me tell you something. This is very interesting because there is not one item on this description card that was in this bag. Not one. Not one. So check IPSY out. This is a total mess, but nonetheless, I guess I'll be taking a look at the computer so we can find out some details, right? Okay. Since all the information on this card is null and void because there's nothing here that was in here, I've gone online and pulled it up on IPSY's website. Okay, so according to the website, the very first item that we have is by the company Downtown Paris. Okay, this is what it looks like. All right, and it says this is an eyeshadow in rose gold. All right, this is a deluxe mini, and it says this little tube of liquid rose gold will easily become the standout in your beauty lineup. It glides effortlessly onto your lids and blends like a dream, while also being comfortable and long-lasting. Okay, now I have to tell you, this is the first time that I've actually ever heard of this particular product. All right, now I don't know what the manufacturer suggested retail price would be if it were the full size, because that information is not here. But what I will tell you is this one has a 6-month shelf life, and it is a clean product. Okay, so of course, you know, at the end we swatch everything, so hang on for a little while, and we'll do just that. Okay, so the next item that we have is by the company Floss, and it is Rise Above, and this is a lengthening mascara, and it is in the shade black. All right, now this one is also a deluxe mini. All right, and it says get ready to take your lashes to new heights with this mascara. It's like an instant lash lift, helping to add serious length to your fluttery fringe, okay, while coating them in bold black color. All right, now this one is a 7 gram or 0.25 ounce size. That is what the outer packaging looks like, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. All right, and it says that this one has a 6-month shelf life as well. It is cruelty-free and vegan. Okay, so that is our second product. Then we're going to keep going. Still no prices, y'all. Okay, just so you know. The next item that we have is by Kate Somerville, and this one is a retinol vitamin C moisturizer, and that's what this one looks like. All right, this one is an 8 milliliter size, and it says 2 skin superheroes, retinol and vitamin C. Combine their powers in this ultra luxe face cream to help firm, smooth, and brighten your complexion. Sleep easy and wake up to renewed and nourished skin that bounces back. Okay, now this one has a 12-month shelf life, and it is a PETA approved product. All right, and with it being a deluxe mini, it has that push button top on it as well. We can go ahead and put that on now. All right, and then by the time we check out our swatches, we should be good to go. Skin should be nice and smooth. All right, now I just put a little dab on. Now I'll have you know, it absorbed very, very quickly. Okay, and hand with, hand without. All right, it has a nice, almost citrusy type of smell. I like that. Definitely like that. Okay, so, and by the way, Kate Somerville is known as the skin guru. Okay, just so you know. Then the next item that we have is by Ren. All right, and it's this one right here. Well, actually, the name is Ren Clean Skincare, and this is the Radiance Glow and Protect Serum. All right, now this one is also a deluxe mini, and it is, as they say, a serum, and it says get bright and glowy skin in as little as 2 weeks with help from this lightweight serum. It's powered by antioxidant rich superfruits like kakadu plum, okay, dragon fruit, and pomegranate to help protect your skin from free radicals too. All right, very interesting. This one, it says, of course, that it was a deluxe mini. However, this is what the inside of the product looks like. All right, and it says this one is a vegan product, clean to skin and clean to the planet. Now, I do not see an expiration date. Not even on the product. All right. Nonetheless, it says make sure you use it AM and PM by gently pressing with fingertips onto a clean face. All right. That's the fourth item, which means we have one more. All right. The next item that we have, and the last one, by the way, is by the company Toy Factory, and it is an Ultra Set niacinamide setting powder, and it's in the shade tan. Okay, now this one is 2.2 grams, and it is also a deluxe mini. It is a setting powder, and it says Meet Ultra Set, your new bestie for flawless airbrushed skin. Formulated with niacinamide and packed with B3 vitamins, this anti-caking setting powder helps lock in your makeup and visibly reduce the look of pores while leaving your skin feeling silky soft. Okay, now this, of course, was the outside packaging, and this is the inside packaging. Okay, that's what it looks like all the way around. And the expiration date is July 2027. How about that? Okay. So, and it says it's in the shade of tan. So we're at the end. This is the last one. So I do want to take out just a small amount. So I am going to grab a brush. Alrighty. And let's see. Okay. Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. This will be great to set my concealer or my under eye. This is nice. Okay, so as I stated, this is what it looks like. Just dusted a small amount on. All right, and since we don't do our mascaras until we're ready to use them, of course we won't be swatching that, but this one has a 6-month shelf life. And if I know I have another gold one, but when I go through them, if I have something that's close to this, trust me, I have daughters, it won't stay around long. Okay, so it was safety sealed. Let's just put a little bit on. Barely a pinhead amount. And let's blend it in. Well, actually, I'm just going to use this brush that I already have out. Okay. Oh, that's nice. This would actually make a very nice highlight as well. But that's beautiful. What do you think? Okay. Well, I do owe a couple of try-ons. I have lots of makeup from the month of December, so we'll have to get on that rather quickly. So what are your thoughts? All right. Now, this one was very even, I might say, with the type of products that we have. All right. Do have the setting powder, the eyeshadow, and the mascara, and then we have the 2 moisturizing skincare products. Okay, what did you receive? Did you get the correct information with yours? Let me know, okay? Now, of course, I think this one kind of made my selection for me with regards to us continuing with the glam bag. They have raised the price again, and with them raising the price, and to get all deluxe minis, there are no full sizes included at all. It's time for us to go ahead and make that switch. So I believe starting in February, we will have the new box or the new bag. Now, I'm hoping that I have enough time to go ahead and cancel this one, you know, starting in February. If not, trust me, February will be the last time that you see the glam bag. Okay, so let me know your thoughts down below. And I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbagged our last, hopefully, glam bag on this channel. Okay, now, these are the items that were included. I cannot give you a manufacturer suggested retail price, even if they were full sizes. However, this is what we did receive. Okay, now make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. That's right. If you are not a part of the Seasoned Beauties family, I'm not sure why, but go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, okay? So, most of all, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.